Greetings, Earthlings! Welcome to Planet Earth. This is a place that's got so much fun, it is unbelievable. So we're going to have a lot of fun learning about the history and origin of planet Earth and various things that have happened to it over time. Lots of things going on in our distant 4.5 billion year history. So, not only do we have all kinds of fun, we can use this information to help us determine what's going to come up in the present. We can use the present to determine what happened in the past. So there's all kinds of tools, information, guidance that we have in the rocks themselves to help tell us how our planet evolved and how we got to where we are today with both life and the continents and even the climate. Okay, first we will review some basics such as rocks and minerals, things like fossils, radiometric dating, the rocks, well, I already said that, the plate tectonics, how things are moving, lots of things about the evolution of the planet, the rocks, the atmosphere, the oceans. Everything all came to be somehow, some way, and this is where we're going to learn how all that happened. So we're going to learn about how planet Earth formed with the rest of the solar system. We are a compilation of all kinds of space dust and rocks and things like that, including all the water that we happen to have here on Earth. We will see about how the atmosphere has changed. We will see the evolution of things like banded iron formations. These rocks tell us about the evolution of an oxygen-rich atmosphere. This implies enough oxygen in the atmosphere to be able to support larger life. So we're going to learn about that kind of thing. We will see about the evolution of trilobites. These are the cockroaches of the Paleozoic. We will learn about the evolution of trees. This is a fossil from a tree called Calamites. We see these about 350 million years ago. We will see the evolution of dinosaurs. We will find lots of different kinds of dinosaurs. We will also see the evolution of things like saber-toothed tigers, as well as polar bears. These are the canary in the coal mine right now with our climate. Now, we will also see the evolution of humans as well as Bigfoot. Oh, no, sorry. Bigfoot's not official yet. We can't talk about him. We'll have to see about him another day. All right. In the meantime, the continents are moving around. They have been for hundreds of millions of years, and, well, beyond that. In the past 200 million years, we will see how the assembly of supercontinents and supercontinent breakup have affected climate and how it affects the life, because climate helps dictate what happens to life. You're not going to grow a whole lot of fur like this in a super hot climate. Instead, you're going to have more of a scaly type thing. In the Mesozoic, we had a much warmer temperature on the planet. Now, regrettably, there have been changes made to planet Earth by us humans. We have done one heck of a job destroying so many different things. So we need to understand how we have done this, what is more natural, and what we need to stop doing in the future to prevent catastrophic failure. Now, there are also things to learn about in many different directions, but the point here is to have fun and learn about our planet and the awesome things that it has to offer. So we're going to talk about rocks. We're going to talk about plate tectonics. We're going to talk about evolution. We're going to talk about those things like radiometric dating that help us understand how we know what we do know. We also need to learn the steps of the scientific process. So we also have lab associated with this class. Unfortunately, it is a necessary evil, but I am here to help with any step along the way. Personally, I think it's the greatest fun God ever invented. However, not everybody shares my enthusiasm, but that's why I am here to help guide you through what we know about planet Earth and how we can be better humans in the long run. Enjoy the class.